Let's see how to add a video to your store on Amazon, which can help tell your brand story and differentiate your products. When you're editing or building a page in your store, one approach we recommend is to add a split width section with a large video on one side. To add your video here, click Add Tile and choose Video. You can see the specs needed for both your video and your cover image, which is what's shown when your video isn't playing. Upload your video and cover image and click Done when you're ready to move on. Shoppable images in your store help customers see your products in context, engage with their details, and add them directly to their carts. If you're using the product highlight or marquee template, or if you've added a split width section to your page, you can see empty tiles ready for you. Click on a tile and find Shoppable Image. Upload a lifestyle image showing at least one product, then add the products featured. You can adjust where they're active on the image and add more, up to 6 products. Click Save. You can also add a shoppable image as the only full-width tile in a section. Add a new section and your shoppable image in the same way. A gallery is an engaging way to showcase your products. Here's how to add one to your store. We suggest adding it to your homepage, so let's start there. From the Store Builder, click on your homepage to edit it. On the right, choose Add New Section. Now, you'll pick Gallery for your tile type. You can add an optional title and description, and anywhere from 3 to 8 images. Consider featuring a gallery of real customers using your products, or of lifestyle images that show your products in use. After your store passes moderation, your gallery will be visible for shoppers to engage with. Let's see how to add a section to your store that displays your best-selling or recommended products. The Best-Selling Products tile automatically updates and showcases your best-selling products, while the Recommended Products tile automatically shows recommendations to shoppers based on their shopping history. To add them, open the Store Builder and the subpage you'd like to edit. On the right, add a new section and find the Best-Selling Products tile or the Recommended Products tile. Pick one to add it to your page. That's it. You don't need to add any products here. These sections will automatically display them to shoppers, and the tiles won't be shown if you don't have best sellers or recommended products. When you're finished, hit Submit for publishing. With the Product Collection tile, you can showcase curated related groupings of products in your store. Here's how to add it. In the Store Builder, add a new section to the page. Upload a lifestyle image and adjust it for desktop and mobile. Add a title and optional prefix and body text. You can customize your text layout more by showing design options. To add products, you can either search by name or ASIN or enter a list. Add a minimum of 4 products to complete your collection. You can include up to 5 product collection tiles on a page. When you're ready, submit your store for publishing.